Okay, this one is a bit special. I absolutely adore this bag. I think it's beautiful. It's Gucci Bloom's Tote, and it's just beautiful. I love it. So it's got these lovely double top handles, but it also has a long strap which is adjustable and also removable. So it's currently on the middle setting on the long strap, and I'm about 5'4", I'm a UK 8'10", so obviously you could have it higher or lower. So it's the middle setting at the minute. It comes with Gucci dust bag, and it comes with some care docs and a fabric swatch as well. It is in excellent condition. Exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, the hardware is excellent. There's no sign of wear at all anywhere. It's never been used. It is in pristine, excellent condition, and it is just beautiful. So we'll show you some of the features. You've got Gucci tag on the front. The straps that are removable say Gucci there. I don't know if it's going to show. Let's see if this one is better. Might catch the light better. Okay, inside it's got this magnetic strap here, which is the closure, and then you've got this lovely big spacious bag, and it's got a zipped pocket on either side, one there and one here. The pockets are deep, they go down to there, so almost the base of the bag, and the pocket on the other side is the same, right to the bottom to here, so they are proper deep, good sized pockets. The Gucci tag is here, and the code, which I can't twist the bag, the code is underneath. The zip pulls also have Gucci on them. I don't think that's going to show though, but both the zip pulls on the pocket have got Gucci on them. And as I said, it's just a beautiful, beautiful tote. I really do like this. In pristine condition. There is a link to this on our product page in the comments below. So go to the comment, you'll find a link that will take you to our website. When you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off. What else? In the comments below, there's a link that you can follow us on Instagram. And if you like our bag videos, then please give us a thumbs up.